Gevo stock. Stock news 2020. Gevo stock surges over 230% within 1 day. So, is Gevo stock a buy? Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So before buying a stock, it's a good idea to know a little bit more about the company. I mean, not only a little bit more, but the more the better. Otherwise, you don't know why the stock of that company is falling or flattening or going up or sideways, ways, etc. So yeah, let's get started. Gevo stock news 2020. Gevo stock, Gevo company was founded in 2005. Its headquarters is in Englewood, Colorado, and it has about 53 employees. And it does produce a fuel, but a special kind of fuel. They call it biofuel, so it causes way less emission than any other normal fuels out there. And one of the reasons why the stock price could surge that much yesterday, because it could secure 1.5 billion worth of contract with another company. So that's a few quick facts about this company. Let's have a quick look at Gevo stock performance. Yes, here it is. So the ticker symbol is GEVO. So it's easy to understand. And as you can see here, yesterday, the 20th August 2020, the stock price surges over 230% from, let's see, $1.03 up to $1.83. All right, that's quite something. Okay, so the market capitalization is 98 million US dollars, so it is considered a micro cap, not a small cap, but micro cap. And the PE ratio is not available, which means it made a loss quite recently. Let's look further into the past. Like 1 month ago, the stock price was like 58 cents. Okay, interesting. So it was a penny stock before 1 month ago. Well, it was not a long time ago. But you could actually triple your investment if you invested in it like 1 month ago. And 1 year ago, the stock price was at $2.78. Okay, so you would lose your money if you invested in it like 1 year ago. So in August in 2019, there was no world crisis at that time. Up to, let's see, roughly January was $2.05. So during this, before this world crisis happened, or happens, or it is happening, the stock price was not that doing well. So let's look even further into the past, like 5 years ago, it was 916. Share this video with your family and friends and other people that might be interested into this Gevo stock. Dollars, okay. Interesting. And 9 years ago in 2011, the stock price was at 118,000 US dollars. Very interesting. So let's have a quick look at the annual report real quick. So this annual report has like 116 pages, so it took me a while to find this page. So just smash the like button for me. Alright, 2019, last year, they made a loss of about 29 million US dollars. 2 years ago in 2018, they made a loss of about 28 million US dollars. Quite interesting. And let's have a quick look at the most recent earnings report. That was the second quarter 2020, so for the months April, May and June, that 3 months. Let's see what they did. they made a loss in that quarter. They made a loss of about $6 million US. At least that's a decrease of loss compared to last year. Okay, quite interesting. Any questions, feedbacks or comments, leave it in the video description below, subscribe and see you next time.